I made this. Excited.
I'm looking forward to it. Extremely nervous. Hope it fits. That's the system there.
So you guys are just fitting this?
Yeah, we won't be connecting the gas up. We're not qualified to do that. And so we'll connect the water phase up and then it'll be up to some qualified gas engineer then. That one started.
Let's get the next one in then. Is that level?
Yeah, we'll see if he wants to move it to the left a bit or right. Go anywhere it wants, can't it? Whereabouts do you want this? I mean, we can move it towards the left a bit, we can move it, or you can have it central to the side of you.
Yeah, I think central would be best.
Fine.
Yeah, if that's alright.
I say you've got plenty of room here to move it either side if you want to.
No, I think that's alright.
Yeah.
That's smashing.
The door will shut because it's not protruding past the rubber anyway.
That's okay. Oh, so the door was shut?
The door will shut and you know.
Great.
So you're thinking about having a shower on the way round?
Oh, what I worry about is my hair. I have to wash my hair and keep doing my gel, and
Well, that's alright. We've found a frigging umbrella in here somewhere. Let's have a look. Where is it? There it is. There's your umbrella.
There's my umbrella.
Why have you got an umbrella in here? You can't answer that, can you?
I can't. It's black.
It's black. Everything's got to be black.
Yeah. You've got my anti-back. Your anti-back. And then your barrier cream. It's lovely. And then I've got my gloves.
Where's your brute dispenser?
These are the gloves.
Okay. Oh, I can smell that stuff.
Yeah, it's good. It's your son.
No, I'm alright.
Oh, alright, mate.
I think this is knackered.
Somebody stole the bubble.
Yeah, bubbles burst.
That's not going to be level, is it?
No, we'll get off the ramps cold.
Would it be level?
We'll see.
It's miles out, isn't it? Good job I don't use it very often.
It's miles out. It's miles out.
Who's bent me bubble?
Is he generally being
I think he's joking.
I feel like I should tell him.
I don't believe this.
Right.
Hang on. That can't be right. Exactly the same as the other one. I know why. I'm being stupid. Yeah, it's under the van's right in the air, isn't it?
Do you know what? I'm not going to lie. I was going to tell you, but I didn't know if you was playing me.
You're joking, of course.
No.
No.
We'll do it when it's on the floor. And then I thought, it just clicked. I thought the banzai.
So when we put water through this, we're not going on WikiLeaks, are we?
No.
Oh no! I know. I got the reel from a company called the Water Fed Pole Place in Basildon, and then I bought this from Jordan King, which was an add-on which you build yourself.
Oh yes, I know.
Yeah, it's good. HD one next.
Is that 4K?
Do you have a
Yeah.
Do you have a wish list then?
Hey.
Do you have a wish list?
Yes, I do have a wish list. It's slowly being ticked off now. What's next? What's next on the wish list? Probably to have all my poles Gardner. These are my poles. Gardner. SLX 25. Gardner SLX 6 and 7 extensions. These are good for solar. That's all you need. So a lot of window cleaners buy the SLX 35, and they work with it on a daily basis. Well, I can't do that because of the weight. So I go with the extensions, then that way I can still get access to the solar panels. And it works out brilliant. And then this one. It's my first pole. It's old school, but it's alright, it is. It's not bad. They don't make these anymore.
Looks brand new.
Yeah, I do clean them. Got burnt hand. Got this one. I clear it up for me Costa coffees. Gardner CLX4.
And then you rest that.
What's that?
First ever edition.
Nice.
So you start with a van. No, it's good actually. How much are they to be posted to me?
Free
Free.
to you.
So